Welcome back. In this session, we will focus on creating and customizing funnel chart. This one. If you're gonna click on it, it will provide you with a placeholder. But basically, funnel chart is a type of visualization that show values across multi-stages in a process, which is gonna help us to identify bottleneck of area of improvement by highlighting the drop-off between stages. So let's work on the same example here. We have the month and the revenue. So I will drag the month to the category area and I will drag the revenue to the value area. And look at this. Here we have December 30K, September, November. As you can see, the best month for us was December with the total revenue almost 30K, and the worst was January, almost 19. And here we can find even October is 26. So it is not arranging the month like ascending or descending. No, it's the sorting here based, or the tracking here for the sequential stages based on the revenue itself. So when you're gonna use funnel chart, if you want to identify area where most data is achieved your revenue and where is the least area that have the lowest time. That's basically very straightforward. And again, we have here the same for the format visual. If you want a different color, you can choose from here. And if you would like to have a data label, definitely we want this one to have the data label for each and every stage. We have a category label for this one we can change, and by end of day we have the conversion rate if you wanted to have a different color for this. And funnel chart almost come with two area or two field, one for category and one for the value itself. The best practice here, try to use clear and distinct label for the stage, as you can see, and this one is very important for real world example. And that's how you're gonna create and customize funnel chart in Power BI, and see you in the next session.